Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Aratek model and firmware so drivers match. This prevents handshake errors. Power the unit using the specified PoE or DC adapter and connect the primary cable, USB for direct setup, RS-232 for legacy, or Ethernet for networked installs. Once done, log into the host machine as admin and install the vendor driver package. This gives you device access and permissions. Make sure ports are enabled in Windows Device Manager or Linux UDEV, so the system recognizes the hardware immediately. Once drivers are active, you install the Aratek SDK and open the vendor utility. That gives you control panels for configuration. If using Ethernet, set a static IP or reserve a DHCP address so the reader reliably finds the device. Configure gateway and subnet to match your network. Next, set time sync and enable encryption or secure channels. This protects biometric data. Finally, choose template format, ISO or ANSI, matching your backend so templates will import without conversion errors. You finish by enrolling a test user and capturing several samples to ensure consistent reads. This validates sensor calibration and template processing. Once templates upload to your server, run authentication tests locally and via the server to measure latency and match rates. If anything fails, first check physical connections and power, then confirm firmware matches driver, review device logs for error codes, and verify firewall or port rules are not blocking communication. Reboot and rerun enrollment after any change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.